Chicago is one of America's mightiest cities. But have you ever wondered how it ended up way out here in the middle of the country? The story starts with waterways. Early mariners from beyond the horizon followed water routes to this place in the middle of the country, drawn by the possibility of untapped natural wealth. To tell this epic story, we take to the skies, where we can see the big picture. Beyond Chicago's borders, beyond our present time, beyond Chicago from the air.